All I can say is ooh la la, ooh la la, ooh la la, ooh. Oh, I can't help you, turn me on so bad. Ooh la la, ooh la la, ooh la la, ooh. I just can't seem to get you off my head. Speechless with every single kiss. The one thing rolling off my lips is ooh la la, 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 ooh.
That is that one. Horse and sleeping at one
Back
quarter.
falling oh so slowly. Back me up on my heart and you're trying to get to know me closely. Try to tell you how I feel, but I can never work it out. Get so caught up and tongue tied up like every time you come around. All I can say is ooh la la, ooh la la, ooh la la, ooh.
Don't run, ha? Don't run. They have horse in the back. Ah, in the side, horse. Don't run. Okay? Okay. Yeah, hala, horse. Stanley. No. Because if they have another horse, not allowed. Not allowed. Not allowed. What is it? Is they fight? Yeah, it's make fight for them. Wala yan. Go outside. You know why I hold you?
Yeah, Dad.
Because you will run.
But you're also making me step on stool.
I never saw it. I only that so that you are not run. Because you are run. Yalla, dali.
Yeah. Why are you making fun of us?
Hey, Karish, what is it? Hey?
Dali.
Hey?
I know that you are scared of them. I'm really scared.
I'm scared from the
Your Malak was so scared.
Grace. I'm scared of that.
Yalla. Yalla, run. Malak.
Hey. I know where to go. I'm not gonna. I'm not gonna.